Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. And this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Nursery. And our today's topic is learning Arabic alphabet from Fa to Ya. Okay, my dear students, now let's see the board. Class Nursery, subject Islam, topic learning Arabic alphabet Fa to Ya. Lecture number 3, SW number 3. My dear students, so let's start our today's topic, learning Arabic alphabet Fa to Ya. In the previous classes, my dear students, you have already learned how to write Arabic alphabet from Alif to Ghain, and you have already learned how to write Arabic alphabet first 20, that means Alif to Dad. Today we will learn Fa to Ya, how to write. So let's start. The first one is Fa. This is Fa. Now Qaf. This letter is called Qaf. Now Kaf. This letter is called Kaf. Now Lam. The students, it is called Lam. Now Mim. This is called Mim. Now Noon. Now Wow. This is called Wow. It is called Ha. Now Hamza. The last one is Ya. So this is called Ya. The students, I repeat, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Wow, Ha, Hamza, Ya. My dear students, now SW. Your SW topic will be write Fa to Ya. That means the same topic. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. See you again inshallah. Stay safe and well. Assalamu alaikum.